Hi, I'm Ian Blackburn. I'm the host of Wine LA, merchantofwine.com, learnaboutwine.com, and many other .coms. I do a lot of wine education stuff, and I buy wine for a lot of places, and I'm involved in the wine industry in a deep and meaningful way, and I am a big fan of Coravin. Coravin is a wine serving device that allows you to enter into every bottle and not open and waste any wine. And that is an amazing thing for the wine industry. And it's an amazing thing for your home. I want to encourage you to use it. I want to show you how easy it is to use. In this particular video, I'm showing off the new line of Coravins. They've got the 3, the 5, the 6, and the 11. And we're right now going to talk about the Model 6. It's just a few dollars more, but it's a significant little upgrade. Used to have a clamp on it that you'd have to grab and open and then put into the bottle. Now you just make sure it fits right on top of the bottle, and then you push down like this, and it kind of opens up and it guides you right in. It's become so easy. And once this thing is into the bottle, your work's almost done already. Now all you got to do is get the wine into the glass. So you point the top of the device into the glass, and you make sure the back of the bottle is higher than the top up here, okay? This opens the valve, and then we're gonna kick a little gas. That's it. Just kicks a little bit of gas into the bottle. It's not a pressure device. It just unlocks the seal and allows the things to flow. It's using argon gas, which is inside of this arm right here. And we lean it back when we're done. Oh, well, that's not enough wine. Let's get a little bit more going in there. Oh, that's enough. Let's pull it back, and it will stop when we're ready, okay? So you could fill the whole glass, keep going back in. You know, at dinner time, I'll start with a glass like this, and I think I have a 3 or 4 fill limit now. I'm trying to limit myself to a glass a day. But this is what the argon gas canister looks like that's inside of the device, and it just goes right inside. It's about 15 glasses of gas in this device, about 40 cents per use, or 40 cents per glass of wine. So your wines are going to be on the premium side to use this device, and also you're going to find better return with a better bottle of wine with a better cork, because the cork does close right back up when it's a better cork and a real cork. But if it's not, and it's a screw cap, they have developed this screw cap version you put right on a screw cap wine, and I use that for my New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc and anything behind Stelvin closure. It's a brilliant upgrade, and it's all you need to have. So that's how you get the wine out of the bottle. And just remove the device by pulling it up, real simple. Not hard, no muscle really needed. Just hold the device on there and then lift it right off, and you're done. The cork closes back up. The argon gas protects the wine. You put this back on your wine cellar. The bottle's never been opened, and you move on to another wine. With that, I hope you have great success with your Coravin. If you want to get a Coravin, use the code in our description. We'll get a little commission. You save a little bit of money, free shipping, and lots of benefits. Otherwise, you could buy the Coravin off of our website at merchantofwine.com, and we thank you for your support. I hope to see you at one of our classes or online at zoomintowine.com. Be well.